Is that a little too close for you? All right. I was just trying to illustrate a point. The point is that you can use this camera, this Sony DSC HX400V, to get awfully close to subjects. In the upcoming video, I used it to photograph extreme close-ups of birds at the bird blind that I usually go to. I'll point out how this can be done as we go along in the video. So hold on. So I'm heading into the bird blind now. See if I can get some extreme close-up shots of the birds here. Let's see how that works out. We're here. The Sony DSC HX400V has a couple settings on it that you can use to photograph birds. You can use the optical zoom only, which is about 1200 millimeters, or you can switch to this neat little trick where you use the, whoops, went too far, clear image zoom, which gives you much more reach, where you can get really close in on the birds. That's the one I used for these photos. Right now the bird blind is pretty empty, but we're going to wait here for a while and see if we can indulge ourselves in the art of the extreme close-up in bird photography. So, while you might not want to get this close with the human, because you might get socked, you do want to get close to the birds. So, to do that, use this camera, the Sony DSC HX400V. It zooms out pretty well, the 1200, and you can use the clear image zoom to get even greater distance closer, that is.